لا احنا عيب مالك او توصل والله
Hi guys,
How are you? Hello everyone, welcome back to our vlog guys. Dito pa rin tayo guys sa sa Egypt. Ayan. Punta daw kami ng River Nile. Kaya ito naglalakad kami sa gilid ng highway. Tsaka may nakita akong dito, yung duhat sa atin guys, mayroon dito. ang tawag sa kanila doon nod. Nod sa? Nod.
What not?
The fruits. Nod?
Toot.
Toot. Toot pala ang tawag sa kanila guys. We call this one in my language lumbol. But in Tagalog duhat. Ay, duhat ba? Tama ba yun guys? Yung violet. Ayan yung Egypt Tower?
Cairo Tower.
Cairo Tower. Hold. Ayan ang daming duhat. Ayan daw yung Cairo Tower nila guys. Daming duhat dito sa kanila. Duhat. Napaka. Yeah, garden.
what do you see? Wait, I want to see something.
What you want to see something?
See? Garden man. Too much grass too. But still. What? What? This one underground metro station to go down price.
Which one? This one? Underground
Station,
metro. Okay. Station daw.
For underground.
Which area this one, Ahmad?
Opera.
Opera?
Opera area.
Opera area daw dito. Punta kami ng ng River Nile.
Garden also.
Naglalakad kami. Palang oras dito, guys? 7:40 pero sobrang liwanag pa, parang saka maganda yung yung hangin, malamig. Hindi siya mainit. Ganda yung climate.
You can read actually the station.
Opera. Underground metro daw pala yun doon. Wala na akong nadaanan na duhat. Duhat ba tawag nun guys? Yung violet? Duhat ba yun? Lumbo yung tawag sa amin. Ayan o. Ayan, daming bunga o. Ito, daming kalisa pa rin dito. May kalisa dun sa kabila. Kalisa. What's that one?
Saad Zarloul. Saad Zarloul in 1919 we made revolution here against occupation in England. This is the leader for revolution. Saad Zarloul.
So he's hero.
Hero, yeah. You saw it?
Hero daw, hero. Ayun guys, daming kalisa. Nagsakay na kami dyan ni Malik. Daming tao sa garden.
Wow.
I see horse.
Ay, do you want a horse too?
What color?
Oh, look, this one, what color for this horse? Gray.
Why? Gray, sorry, gray. Look, gray, what's the gray?
Ayan, gray.
Gray.
Orange.
Yeah, orange.
I see
You know, my mother actually before when she...
I see animals. Where's the big lake?
Big lake, wala pa eh.
What's
Daddy, we go in.
The big lake?
I show you river with mama now in the gate. Then we'll drink something, okay?
That's all.
We can come into Sitira.
Where?
Oh,
Nakasakay na dyan si Malik sa horse nung nagpunta kami ng pyramid, nag-horse si Malik.
Put him at the pyramid. Put him at the pyramid.
Ha?
pyramid.
Bata ba toto?
Look more dogs than ticket. Look now.
I saw them in the garden before.
More dogs, right?
Maganda lang dito kahit nasa city guys, pwede mag yung mga kabayo, kalisa. Wow, what a big lion! I saw the big lion. Huh?
Where, Mama?
Two big lion. There.
What?
Where?
Look for the bridge, son.
There.
The lion there. Ah, there. Statue. I saw you, Tal. I saw you, Tal. Freedom,
Ha?
Freedom Gardens.
Why there's a payment when you go inside?
Tickets, I think, yeah.
Yeah, there's a ticket. Oh.
We go back to River Mile. Look at this hotels. Samira means Shibab hotels, okay?
Dito na kami guys sa river na ayun, dalawang layo.
انت مالك لاين وصل لاين؟ لاين. لاين موجود في لاين؟
It's fire.
No, it's not that. صوتها.
I need to go a little bit.
كم تعال جيب ماما زي الصوت جيب ماما. هاي والله صح.
Where ka?
Where is the river?
Wow! You don't want to ride like that? Huh? We try it.
More bird. Daddy, let's ride boat. Right.
Right?
Can you ride that one? Let's ride
Take care, let's give it something more. Give it to mom, okay?
Okay, go. Let's ride. What? There?
I don't like to put it.
Why? Why is it?
I said, you're booking hotel.
I think, Daddy. Mama, Mama,
Hmm.
you want to ride the boat?
Yeah.
Then Daddy will look how we ride. Daddy, you will look at us.
This one I said from Cairo until Aswan. River line, yeah. Come.
But this one deep.
Ah,
How
yeah.
much the deep this one?
I don't know, but it's deep one. طبعا if you go over Egypt for Aswan like this, deeply, more deeply. This one.
Daddy,
Ah,
how about you watch how we ride the boat? Mama, let's ride boat with Daddy watching us.
Tell Daddy, we want to
you feel the bridge? Normal sound is scared.
How about you ride?
تعال وتشيك on that.
No, I want
you
to
know
ride
I'm
boat.
scared also.
لا لا سكريات من زمان السينما. والله لسه عامل سينما.
Is he going to eat people?
No?
Friendly?
Apparently.
Hey, what's that?
Gusto kong matry kaso lang natakot man ako.
Can you
Like-
closer?
Like people swimming. صح؟ What is on that side? Is it?
I don't know.
I know what is that brown thing.
What?
Submarine.
Submarine, that's not submarine.
The white with looking up.
I don't know.
Maybe pillow or what?
Can you look closer, Liz? Closer. That is a shark. That is a shark. Daddy, what is up there?
River Nile. Grabe ang laki oh. Gusto ni Malik sumakay doon oh. Natakot na ako guys ah. Ayoko.
I would not have my head, Malik. I would put some more.
Takot nga na every daan ng mga sasakyan gumagalaw yung bridge guys. Ganda ng klima, ang hangin, hindi siya mainit.
Nile Reach Carlton.
That hotel.
On this Hilton. Semiramis. El Nashiba.
Kempinski. Hilton Hotel. Grabe, ang ganda ng ano, grabe ang laki guys, parang dagat na. It's nice, so we are not allowed to walk there.
Yeah, it's okay. You want to cross?
No, they're down, look.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You can take pictures also there.
Sure, it's allowed to walk there. I think no, there's no one walking there. Oh. Huh? There's no one walking there. If allowed, they have more people there going down, but there's no one. Maybe it's private.
I think we can because this garden can go inside and we can go down to this one. Because this one entrance to the ship. Can you show?
Because there's no one going there. Oh, it's nice
so
there.
Picture this, huh?
Yeah, it's nice to walk there.
Let's finish it up. This one?
But it's difficult to
Here you
cross.
see it's very small. If you go after very big, you know?
No, you can saw it very big. Oh. Laki ng ano nyo guys.
Like three. Oh, wait a minute. Right. One year when I go to the picture here. 1 year.
Parang natakot na
You have
ako.
like this in Philippines, huh?
Yeah, I have like this. But only in the sea.
I can't see my back.
Why? خلاص اوكي خلاص مين كده العسل يلا كده نسوي
I think difficult to cross here, very high speed. Grabe ang laki ng river nila guys. Grabe ang laki ng river nila. Saka nakakapagkitaan nila, no? Grabe.
Wow, eagle! What's that?
And where we go now?
حاضر حاضر.
Come in the grass. Come in the grass. Come in the grass, okay? Come in the grass. Come. Come. Mama, come in the grass.
تعال هنا.
Now can you come up here? I want to make you come up here.
حاضر.
I'm not going home. I mean, come in the grass. Please come in the grass.
Just do it.
Why should I wait? I said come in the grass.
Your voice. Reduce your voice. Just wait to sit.